In this video, I will show you how to turn off Instagram calls. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can head over right here to your actual control center, and then you can make sure to turn on the do not disturb right here on your phone. Once you have done that, it will not turn off your Instagram call, but you won't receive a notification whenever someone tries to call you. Another option that you can do is you can head over right here to your profile, and then from there, click on these three lines. Click on this search right here and search in here for permission. You can see in here this device permissions, and in here you can see in here this microphone. So whenever someone's microphone has been turned off, let's head over and then click on not allowed. Once you have head over and then make sure that your microphone is not allowed, this will actually turn off the Instagram calls as you won't be able to converse with that person if your microphone has been turned off. Once you're done with that, click on this update device settings and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.